Now we discussing about extraction of crude metals. The extraction process are three types. They are first one calcination and roasting, third one smelting. Calcination process, roasting process, smelting process. Calcination. Calcination is a heating of ore. Is a heating of ore below its melting point. Below its melting point, in absence of air. In absence of air is called calcination. The process of heating of ore below its melting point in absence of air. To remove any volatile matters is called calcination. The calcination is generally used for the metallic carbonates, bicarbonates and hydrate metallic oxides. Calcination does not involve any chemical change and carried out in reverberatory furnace. Reverberatory furnace. Like example, zinc carbonate heating below its melting point, absence of air to form zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. Second one reaction, calcium carbonate to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Hydrated metals like aluminium trihydroxide to form aluminium oxide plus water molecule. Now we discuss second one, roasting process. Roasting. The process of heating of the ore. The process of heating of the ore in the presence of air below its melting point. Below its melting point is called roasting. Roasting. Purpose of roasting: to convert the sulfide into oxides and sulfates. The roasting is employed in case of sulfide ores or the ore containing metal sulfide impurities. These sulfide impurities convert into oxides and sulfates. To remove impurities like sulfur, arsenic, antimony, so on. To remove moisture, to oxide easily oxidizable substance. These roasting processes are carried out two types. First one is oxidizing roasting. Second one is sulfating roasting. Oxidizing roasting, sulfating roasting. It is mainly used sulfide ore. It converts the sulfides into oxides like zinc sulfides plus oxygen to form zinc oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Iron sulfide react with oxygen to form iron oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Smelting process. The process of separation of a metal. The process of separation of a metal or its sulfide mixture from its ore in molten state in presence of flux is called smelting process. The process of separation of metal or its sulfide mixtures from its ore in molten state in presence of flux is called smelting process. This smelting makes use of heat and a chemical reducing agent. Chemical reducing agent is nothing but flux to decompose the ore, driving off other elements as gases or slag and leaving only the metal base behind. The reducing agent is commonly a source of carbon, such as coke, or in earlier times, charcoal. Now the process of smelting. Charcoal or coal react with oxygen to form carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide react with ferric oxide to form separation of iron plus carbon dioxide. In this reaction, carbon monoxide acts as a flux to remove oxides from ferric oxides. Another one reaction, calcium carbonate to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. These calcium oxide act as flux. These flux react with silicon dioxide to form calcium silicate CaSiO3. These are process of extraction of metal from its ore, roasting process, calcination, smelting. Thank you.